Today I'm going to ask your help again to help me choose an item to upcycle in another one of my money for nothing challenges. My name is Charlotte Allen and you have reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. So a few weeks ago now I asked you to help me choose an item to upcycle and turn it into something else in a kind of money for nothing style project. And if anybody's not watched Money for Nothing before, it's basically this program on TV where you get an item from like a recycling centre and it's given to someone and then they change it into something wonderful and fantastical and then they sell it on. So that is what I'm going to be doing over the next few days. But I need your help to help me choose what I should upcycle. So here are your options. So number one is we've got an old lantern here, and it's actually not that old, it's actually quite new. But I quite like it because it's got a little door, so I could do something with this. We could put maybe something inside it, maybe do another kind of diorama with it, maybe put some characters inside, some lighting, make a lovely Christmas scene in there. So that's option number one. Option number two is this old alarm clock, and I've had it for a little while now. My father-in-law saw it in a shop and he said, "Oh, do you want me to get it for you?" And I was like, yeah, just get it, and at some point I will do something with it. So I've taken the back off already because I think that opens it up into doing all sorts of different things with it. So quite new again, it's not particularly old. I don't really like these strips on it, the green strips, to make it glow in the dark. I think it makes it look a bit too new, but kind of not new enough, if that makes sense. It's that kind of in-betweeny stage. It's not vintage, but it's not kind of current. So I could do something with this. So that's option number two. Option number three is an old toy roulette wheel, and I think this is actually quite vintage this time. I think this is probably 60s or 70s. If anybody's got any ideas, please let me know. Inside you've got the roulette wheel, which is very toy sized, and you've got a board as well. It's missing pieces, but I don't think that's too much of an issue. I can work with that and I can do something with it. So that is option number three, and I think I could do something quite cool with this. So they are the options that I need you to help me choose. So is it going to be option number one, the lantern, two, the clock, or three, the old toy roulette wheel? So please let me know in the comments below which one you'd like me to upcycle. I will see you on Friday with a new tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I'm posting every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at the moment, and I'm posting loads of hints and tips on needle felting and loads of needle felting tutorials. So please like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week with a new tutorial. Take care. Bye.